especially so they make sure you make sure to go fit merenda because our children the underage when they listen to supermarket they get believe in a supermarket. If you know, you know. How many different supermarket they get believe? Hey, look now, Italo. Oh, if this you get believe, aburo you, man, or the so make sure you make space enough, especially in the thing. So guys, monthly shopping. Start with orange. I think this one is more better. So guys, I will stop here so that I will concentrate. See you in the house when I will be packing, you know. So thanks for watching till now. So here I will go for meat. So guys, we are back home. Now this meat is not that too much. It's time to pack. you know. Monthly shopping. Can you see? So guys, this is it's not much. It's not much. So let's pack. Let's pack. You know. So over here I have my prosciutto, mortadella, salami. So we have my cooking everything. Oops. Bistecca. Popetta, see, I'm right. Am I right? Salchicha. Que casino! So let me put it on. Yeah, here. Okay. Oh! Oh! Come fai? Sei felice? So over here my own dish, salsicha, tonno. Also think they use salsicha and tonno, you know. So that's it. And olive oil and groundnut oil. Pizza! Pizzetta! Oh baby Alex! Can you get it? Oops! Ma guarda! I like this, my children also like it. I like it, Sai, integrare, papà può integrare con l'altra. everything integral for that year. Okay, let's put it integral. Okay, no brush. Yes, let's do a brush. Brioche, integral brioche. For daddy. Okay, I have my total. Just 3, because you still have 2. You know. Breakfast. Oh wow. Biscuits for breakfast. So Miranda things. So Chidima will handle this for as usual. See, they are tangled some. I may drop you also on us here. Okay. On us here. So still have biscuit for breakfast. This is for children. So guys, there is something I want to say for mothers that stay in Europe, in my city. When I'm talking of my city, you know. You guys should be doing shopping for your children, you know, for your kids. Especially Miranda thing. Especially so they make sure you make shopping go with Miranda. Because our children the underage. When they listen to supermarket, they have belief in a supermarket. If you know, you know. How many different supermarket they have belief? They look now, they can look. Oh, if you get belief, so make sure you make space enough, especially with that thing for your children, especially teenagers, because when they are shop at belief new. If you know, you know. So making sure that Miranda and I didn't know. That is it. Period. Thanks for watching till now. Continue watching. So Chidima will handle this our Miranda thing. You know. So for especially who work you know. Oh, before who wine, especially who work it. I get a market, the last last market. You know. Even Miranda thing. Sirike, no. Give it to me. You can't be careful. You up. Tissue. Hey guys, I'm tired. Where's the one? So here I have my fruit, onions, orange, tomato, lettuce, what? Finalmente. So this is the last, my sugar and salt. So we start arranging our, no, my sugar is here. Our Miranda thing. We still have things. Clock it.